Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to plant rhubarb. Rhubarb is such a wonderful vegetable that I almost consider a fruit because it tastes so good. And it's wonderful mixed with strawberries. You cook them together and you can make a great rhubarb strawberry pie out of it. Or you can cook the rhubarb right in some water and sugar and make a nice sauce with ice cream. But it's a great plant and it's easy to grow in your yard. It likes cold climates. And it'll make a big root and then big celery-like stalks. And so when you're growing or planting rhubarb, you can start it by seed, but the easiest way to plant your rhubarb is actually by root division, and that'll be more successful for you. So as long as you've got part of a root and part of a stem, if you've got a big clump, you just cut it down the middle or cut it into squares. And as long as you've got some growth and some root, you can grow it. It needs full hot sun with good drainage. And it likes good composted, good earthy material. And likes lots of water, but yet wants to dry out in between because it never wants to sit right in the water. So you can plant rhubarb any time of the year pretty much because it's very hardy. But the best time to plant it is in the early spring. And then that way it will grow and produce lots of rhubarb for you, hopefully the first year. Sometimes you don't get a lot of stalks to actually the second year, but it's a great plant to have in your vegetable garden.